Hello everyone, and my name is always YouTube. We're playing the first day of shooting chickens in cluck shots, and we got our first kills here. I already got 3 keys, but we can't even get more because of that. And my grenade launcher was there, and there's the metal bomb. Why are there so many hands? We can even collect coins in the process. Oh yes, now there's the airline bomber chicken. Why the chicken acting weird? Oh yes, now we're having an angry rage chicken. That can explode multiple chickens to get coins. And this definitely adds me more XP than usual. But yeah, we need to stop the cooldown before it will reload our gun over and over again till I lose to death. And we found ourselves so many chickens. Oh, no way, that just exploded. The entire map is full of KFC, but raw. But we need to be careful about these X-mods, because we get touched by a chicken, we barely lose our life. And we need to clear this entire map with this bomb barrel. And we need to be careful about being cautious about chickens stealing our seats at the house. As by day of shooting chickens, chickens hate being cooked. About KFC, McDonald's, Burger King, etc. And why do we always have to shoot them? Because chickens get revenge on us.
Chicken jockey!
Developed by dinosaurs a million years ago to get this proto egg and a proto chicken. And we don't forget about flying airboats, touch us, and kill us. Instead of that, and we'll clear this entire map to get every coin to get a sniper. That's my goal. We have another day, another chicken massacre, and we got 80 to 90 kills, and we got this piece of grenade launcher. We unlocked the grenade launcher, and we will explode every chicken, whatever we want. Yeah. If we run out of grenades on the grenade launcher, this will be a big mistake. I wonder we'll explode every chicken on this entire map. If they come to us, stay back, boom, and the map is cleared, filled with chickens with such random stuff. Barrel chicken with a piece of grenade launcher. This will be easy for ourselves to repair and fix the gun. From this cooldown and massacring the chickens again before the cooldown might slow us in the chickens touches. Like we're taking all those foul demons out of the chicken's body, and don't forget about them ragdolling weirdly and take our stuff. This is karma. And what can I do about shooting chickens? Getting a high record ever. Okay, another thing left is that chickens are a bit harmless IRL, and not only in the game, because that was super wacky and funny at the same time. Those chickens are too many because they are made by dinosaurs till they drink coffee at 3 a.m. Holy, there are so many chickens. They are getting crowded every day. And every day that the chickens are getting crowded, they'll take our stuff. And every time they take our stuff, then they'll get the boat and leave. Because they always spawn weirdly at every direction. But there's only one way to settle this. Oh no! The chickens! Ow! We think that you pesky chickens and don't touch in this entire map. And massacre all chickens everywhere. The chickens on the test are absolutely a massacre and the most brutal thing ever. Take that, you barrel! What? Yeah, take that! Oh my god, we almost ran out of time of getting this barrel chickens fighting fit to get the grenade launchers, and we have dead KFC. Looking map! Look at this whole day of my ass map. Come on! Better set up all these things and stop these chickens from it. No! We almost died and this chicken just came out of nowhere without any permission to get on this map. Escape from the herd, and then they always encounter us. They move to cities, massacring people every year, and recover the entire Wild West everywhere. Chicken updates from the future are absolutely getting out of hand, and there are so many of them everywhere. These barrels will help us, and we need to stop. Woo! The fireworks bombshell, chicken explosion, and we need to get rich and upgrade this guy. And we need to get a grenade launcher. Before that, we need to stop getting 2 more eggs, and we need to stop finding eggs from map because this is super tricky and hard at the same time, and we need to explode every chicken that is absolutely raged and red up like a chili pepper on this map. There's only a few minutes left. Oh my goodness, that is almost 400 chickens. What a massacre. A high score moment in one. Look at this. Hey yo, we need to explode every chicken on this map as soon as possible. And this level is a bit hard and tricky at the same time. Well, this video is remaining to be hard enough to self-completely. Hey! No! What do you mean? Oh my god, those chickens are many. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. See ya!